Hi, welcome to Sketchman Draws. This is Sketchman Boris. So today I'm going to show you how to create simple 2D paper animation. So I just had a lot of fun. So this is based on a drawing workshop that I do mostly every Sunday afternoon Thailand time, because I live in Thailand. You can find the details on how to join on my website. The link is on the description of this video. But I just wanted to show you what I did. So we'll be drawing, we can draw the same thing that I drew here, which is a pig reacting. Now, I just started with two what we call keyframes. Keyframes meaning like actually it's the other way around. He should be surprised. Okay, so what I suggest is take a copy paper, this one, okay, and I just folded it in 4 and I ripped out pages like this. Okay, so I'm using copy paper because when I'm drawing with a marker, I want it to be visible when I put a paper over it, so that you can see that, right? Like so, so that I can draw the parts that will not move in an accurate way, and then just play with the parts that move, right? So in this case, you might have noticed that the head doesn't change, the positioning of the eyes the same. I just changed the position of the eyebrows. Sorry, I'm off camera. I just changed the position of the eyebrows, the ears, and the mouth, actually. Yeah, so like the chin also. Okay, so let's get started. I'm thinking actually, because the 4 seems too big in a way, I'm going to try with just like the half. Okay, anyway, the point is you need to have place to hold. Okay, like for example, when I was holding here, I think I made a mistake in the sense that when I'm holding, it's hiding almost half of almost the corner of the face. So again, if you're watching with a headphone, watch your ears. Okay. So let's start with something this way, this direction. Okay. Okay, so let's draw just any character. So just the circle. Just going to put the neck here. So as I'm drawing this, I have some idea. So I'm just going to, the typical 1/4 view, meaning like you see the 1/4 of the face, so that this will be the middle of the face. Yeah, so the character is looking this way. Okay, this way. So now we can change this into any character. So I'm going to change this into some sort of I like drawing shirts with ties, so I'm going to draw a tie Some sort of bird. I don't know. So just normal expression. Yeah. So the idea is that he will shrug, like, and maybe slightly the eyebrows will move. Yeah, maybe that's it. Just want to start really simple. So I'm going to take. You can take either a Sharpie. So my Sharpie is like sort of running out. So I'm going to use the whiteboard marker just to show that you can use anything as long as it's visible. Of course, professional animators have Lightbox, or if you're using digitally, it's easy because in digitally you just need to add another layer and you can draw over this layer. Okay. Now, see if I can maybe staple it. That way I don't have to hold it. So I'm going to staple it, or if you have like a tape, you can also put it. Should I staple it on the side? Yeah, let's do it on the side. Yeah, so that it doesn't move. Okay, so you can actually a little bit see it through. Do you see that? So now I'm going. Some people, I mean, if you're confident enough, you can draw directly with the marker. But I prefer to sort of. So I know that I'm going to raise the shoulders a bit. Well, technically, I shouldn't put. Well, I forgot. Let's put the lines here. So the collar and the tie won't change, so I'm just leaving it like that. For the okay, yeah. So I'm just trying just the eyebrows and the shoulders. Again, I'm trying to stay on model here. Staying on model means making sure that the likeness is the same for the character. Okay, so okay, just in case, let me draw it like this, because some markers inks are too wet, so they get through the copy paper because they're very thin, and I don't want to stain the initial drawing. Okay, let's see now. Yeah. I forgot to color the tie. I don't know, just something fun that you can do. I was just telling, if you don't have a thin enough paper and it doesn't show through, what you can do is you can put your drawing against a window, even a screen, but I don't want you to mess up your screen, the computer screen or something, TV screen anyway. But yeah, just try with the window in daytime and use the window as your light box. So like if the light comes through, you'll be able to see and you'll be able to draw over it. But otherwise, yeah, I just want to show you this little thing. I had fun teaching this to in the workshop, and this too, like this bird, um, this bird, like again, just random characters suddenly even just flexing, you know. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you today. So hope you liked it, and this is Boris for Sketchman Draws. I'll see you in the next video.